We'll be unboxing and taking a look at the specification and the sound quality of LG Xboom PL7. So starting off with the price, the speaker comes under 7,000 rupees in the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale, which is a worthy competition to JBL Flip 5 at rupees 8,000. So starting off with the battery capacity and size, the Xboom comes with a 3900 mAh battery with up to 24 hours of non-stop listening. So on the front of the box, we have the LG Xboom branding with a Meridian sound, and on the sides we have some specification and the features of the speakers. Here the MRP of the speaker is of 20,000, which is definitely not the actual selling price of the speakers. This speaker also has a stereo setup which is not found on any other speakers at this price range. So opening up the lid, the speaker is wrapped around thermocol protection all around its sides. And so removing the upper protection, we have the speaker itself, which weighs around 1.5 kg, which might seem worth according to the price tag and the features of the speakers. Below that, we have the paperwork, including the warranty card and other stuff. And also, this speaker comes with the Type-C to micro USB-A, which is a good upgrade from micro USB. So you don't have to worry carrying another charger to charge up the speakers. Okay, now keeping the box content aside and unwrapping the speaker, we have the matte finish dark bluish shade of the speakers and the Xboom branding on top of it. So now on the top of the speakers, we have the power button and other necessary buttons layout on the speakers, and on each side we have the subwoofer of 2.3 inch. Now taking a look back around the speakers, we have the different buttons of dual connectivity if you have another Xboom. Also the lightning button, then the Type-C charging aux cable and micro USB-A. The speaker comes with IPX5 splash proof resistance. So now turning on the speakers, we have the RGB lighting on the sides on the woofer of the speakers, and also the connectivity is very easy and simple. You can also connect and change the other settings via using a dedicated application for the speakers. Now here I'll be connecting directly via Bluetooth and checking out the sound quality of the speakers. And let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to channel Tech Phantom. So if you like the video and the sound check, thumbs up, thumbs down based upon your opinion. Thanks for watching, and I'll